Hello, I'm Dr. Steve Hester, and it's my pleasure to welcome you to the Dr. Robert H. Couch Lecture. As the name suggests, this program honors Dr. Couch, who passed away unexpectedly in 2019. Dr. Couch served as an emergency medicine physician in the greater Louisville medical community for more than 30 years, 9 of which he spent as medical director of the Norton Audubon Hospital Emergency Department. Dr. Couch's achievements are numerous. He was recognized for his contributions to medicine in the Louisville community when he was honored with the Lifetime Hero Award by Louisville Business First in 2017. He was a founding member of Southern Emergency Medical Specialists. He served in numerous roles with the Greater Louisville Medical Society and Kentucky Medical Association, the latter of which he had recently been elected incoming president. Dr. Couch was a servant leader who wanted to make a difference in our community and the world. In this vein, he is most notably remembered for his dedication to serving those experiencing opioid addiction. He was the first physician in Louisville to sound the alarm on the opioid crisis when he treated 9 overdoses within hours of starting a 12-hour shift at the Norton Hospital Emergency Department. In the following days, weeks, and months, he continued to educate the community and beyond through local and national media interviews, as well as by speaking to civic groups and local leaders on the dangers of opioids. His particular passion for opioid and addiction, education, and awareness led him to travel the country advocating for patients and speaking to various groups and lawmakers about the issue. In particular, he was dedicated to educating physicians and other healthcare workers to improve care in the hospital setting. The Dr. Robert H. Couch Lecture serves to inspire others to advocate on behalf of patients as Dr. Couch did.